Alright guys, what's going on? It's Lynette, and today we are going to be unboxing, as you can see from the title already, but we're going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun for fall. So definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. So as we said, we're going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes ever. I love it because it's not every month. It's super random and it comes through with some big major stuff. So if you're like me and you love subscription boxes, or you love Fabfitfun spoilers, or just spoilers in general, definitely make sure that you subscribe, because that's all we do on this channel. We share spoilers, we do unboxings. So if you love them like me, make sure you like and subscribe. Anyway, I digress. All right, so Fabfitfun, as I mentioned, is a quarterly subscription. So this comes every 3 months, and it's $49.99. But if you've never used Fabfitfun before, I have a $10 coupon that I will put in the description box below, so you guys can check it out and check it out for yourself. This will be my 3rd box, so I'm very new to Fabfitfun, but it's been very good to me, so I digress, and I'm very happy with this, so I would recommend it. I know there's a lot of subscription boxes out there. This one is like a staple. If you look on YouTube, everyone gets this one because it has like so much value in it. So let's get into the box, because I have some stuff that I need from in it. Okay, so as I said, it comes in this huge box, and I'm gonna put it down because it's super huge, and then I'll show you guys how it looks inside. And each box is designed totally different. This one is in a yellow, I guess you can say like in fall autumn theme, and each box also comes with a magazine which gives you more of a description, tells you how to use your products, but it gives you options of what you could have chosen. So the value for this box, I'll put in the description box below. I forgot, they did give that on my profile. I know it's like over $300 of this is the value of this box, but because these are customized and they're so different, your box for fall could have been in the range of $211 to $345.99. I know for sure. If I'm wrong, I will definitely put in the description below. I know it's over 300. I just don't know the exact total. I think it was like 328, but do not hold me to that because the description may be totally different. All right, so these are just little pamphlets. With every box so far that I've gotten, one of the first items I've always gotten was this HelloFresh $80 gift card. And I don't know what's wrong with me. I haven't even tried this yet, so I'm not too sure if $80 is enough to try to use it. I've heard it's a super awesome service, but I haven't tried it myself, so I definitely should try it. Hello, it's for free, so you get that free gift card, so you can try HelloFresh. But here you see everything wrapped in a pretty wrapping, but we're gonna destroy that because we just need to see what's inside. All right, and I'll give you guys a little, I guess, a sneak peek at it so you guys can check it out yourself too. So that is what that looks like there. All right, so I'll start with the little stuff first. So the very first item I see here is from Cosmedix. This is Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So let me take a look to see exactly what that is. And this is what it looks like here. Where are you, camera? Okay. You had it and it went away. Okay, so there you go. So this, nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of this 100% pure ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. This is $54. That's super crazy. It does have a scent to it. It looks like you have to poke it in. Oh, okay, here it is. Let me see if I can poke it just to see what the crystals look like, because I'm super curious. And I don't want to make a mess, so I'm not even going to try because I'll be here all day. But this is what it looks like. I can't believe this is $54. And it says it's like crystals, vitamin C crystals. So I don't mind trying that and adding that to my moisturizer. So that was one. Next item here is from AVEDA. This is Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So that is cool. This full-size product, this is 3.4 fluid ounces. So that is what that looks like there. So you guys can take a look, hopefully. There you go. Okay, so where is this at? And this is the joy of unboxing on your phone, because you gotta look for it. Okay, so this is, let me see, AVEDA Damage Remedy Daily Repair, infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy, instantly repair and protect your hair from heat, styling, up to 450 degrees. So this is $30, and I do, not in the summer, but I do usually blow out my hair, so I'll definitely use this. And I have curly hair, as you can see. In the summer it's like too hot to do anything. I do it every so often, but not really in the summer. Texas heat is like a killer, so you don't want to do that. But here we go, that's what that looks like there. So that is that. Another item here we have is from, this says it's from Skinvolve. This is a body boost gel. So I'm in my 40s, so I definitely need all the boost I can get. I don't know, this says it tone firms, smooth pre-workout activator. So that is, let me see, this is 5 fluid ounces. And this is, where are you? Okay, formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol, this pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smooth skin. So I will definitely be putting it all over my my thighs, or those problem areas, but I don't mind. I've never tried anything like this before. This is $45, so that's really expensive for 5 fluid ounces, but if it works, we shall see. And then next item here we have is from Wander Beauty. This is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Now I'm super excited. I love masks, and this is what they look like here. They go under your eyes. So let me take a look and see what that is about. And I'll show you guys all the options you guys could have had with your box. Because if you're an annual subscriber, they do let you choose more options. I'm not an annual subscriber, so they let you choose lesser options, but I'm cool with that because I kind of like the randomness of subscription boxes, so I don't mind that. But if you pay, obviously with every subscription, if you pay for the year, it is cheaper. And with Fabfitfun, it is, you have more options, so, and you get it faster. So that's why people are annual subscribers, but I have patience and I will wait. So that is that. So let me see how many are in here. 6. So there's 6 in here. So this is, and let me take it out the box so you guys can take a look and see what it looks like. Well, it looks like the box. All right, so Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. These eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. And like I said, this box has 25 in it. No, it's $25, and there's 6 different pair in there. So what you could do, and I heard another YouTuber say this, and her name is Just Ann, so definitely check her out. She mentioned what she uses these different eye masks for. She puts it under her eye, obviously, but when she does a sheet mask, she puts a sheet mask over it. So she's like doubling the effect of those sheet masks with the eye mask. So I think that's a good idea. I'm definitely gonna try that because I haven't had any eye masks yet from any subscription boxes. So I'm super new to all of this. And then next we have from Humankind. This is skincare with a conscience. This is natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. This is body soufflé. So that is what that looks like, and this is 6.76 fluid ounces. As you can see, these products are not, these are all full-size products, and these are all big. So they're not like little products. I'm trying to aim it so you guys can see it. They're not like little skimpy samples. These are totally full-size products. And then, so this, it says, lather your skin in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. So let me see if we can see what this one smells like. Last time I got my box, it had a, it was like a lemony, it was a summer box, so that one was lemony. Let me see what this one smells like. And I have like swatches on here. This one's, I don't even know what this smells like. What is this? It's not bad. I'm just trying to like get the scent. What is this? What is this? What is this? Give me an idea. It smells fresh. It smells really good. I just can't picture it. You know what it smells like? Okay, I used to live in New York. I'm now in Texas. But I used to go to Body Works, not Bath and Body. This is way back in the day. And this smells like one of their lotions. I can't think of the name because it's been so many years. I haven't been to that store in forever because I get these subscription boxes, so they usually send me something, or I just go to Bath and Body myself. But this smells like something from Body Works. Really good. So I'm definitely gonna use that one for sure. Okay, I have 3 more items here. Let me take a look. All right, so this I'm actually excited to try. I saw this in one of my Fabfitfun spoilers that I put together. I saw this and I was so curious as to what this was. This is an exfoliant. So you see that they have crystals in it looks like sugar cubes is what it looks like. This is from Harper and Ari. So this is, where are you? This is Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar. They look like, and you can see them there, they look like sugar cubes. This is a retail value of, and I'll go through all the totals. I'm sorry, I think I skipped a few totals. Let me go back really quick. So this one, let me pause real quick so you guys can know. This was, I don't know if I mentioned this one. This one was $30. And this one, the Soufflé, was $18. The mask, I think I said $25, so good, I wasn't so bad. Then the soufflés are, or the sugar cubes in juice cleanse is $16. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower while leaving a yummy scent. So I'm curious as to how this even works. I have no idea, but again, I'm down with trying anything new. So that is that. So that's what it looks like. Okay, and then I have 2 more things here, which is what I chose. So that's why I left them for last, because everything else, I don't remember what I chose, but these 2 things I definitely chose. So this here is from Amica, and I needed this, so I'm definitely excited to get it from a subscription box. So this is from Amica. You can probably guess what's in here. This is, where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Amica? Okay, this is $80. This is Amica Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. I had a curling iron that I got from like As Seen on TV. I don't think it was As Seen. It wasn't like an As Seen on TV, but I purchased it from a commercial on TV. And that curling iron lasted me for years, up until like 3 years ago. And ever since then, I have not been able to get a curling iron that worked with ceramic plates. So I'm hoping that this worked. And if you think about it, I didn't have to pay $80 to try it out. So that is what that looks like there. And my curling iron had like combs in it. So when you put it in your hair, it actually straightened it out at the same time. So that is what this is. And this is $80. So I was like, when I saw that, I was like, you know what? I'm not going out to pay $80, but I don't mind getting it in a subscription box. So this one says, let me see. Again, it says $80, and this says, have a good hair day every day. This 100% ceramic plate, where are you? Generates safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. So that was $80, can't believe it. And then, last but not least, we have this. This was another option. This was from, where are you? This is, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Cut from the Cloth striped, slim striped wallet. This is $60. So for me, with these 2 items alone, that was enough for me. I was excited. Let me take a look at what it looks like here. And I'll put the retail value again of the box down below so you guys can take a look. So this is what it looks like here. I needed a new wallet, so that's why I chose this one, obviously. And it, let me see. And yeah, I'm smelling a wallet. So it says with 7 credits card slots on ID window and 1 Full-length bill compartment. This wallet is just as functional as it is chic, and this is cut from the cloth. So that is what this is. And then here is what it looks like inside, so you guys can take a look yourself. It's a wallet, but I just liked it. This is for your checkbook if you use check still. I don't. So that is what that looks like there. I loved it. So that was it. So let us do a recap as to what all you could have gotten. So if you see here, and if you like mystery products, they do send you mystery stuff. So I'm just gonna go back. Let me see, plush ultra scarf. So you could have gotten a scarf. The other thing is a travel yoga mat. I don't do yoga, so I wasn't wasting my time. You can get a mystery product, a wallet. This is the scarf. This was a Kate Spade lunch bag. This is, what is this? Detox pads. What is that? Detox, where are you? From Nasif MD. Those were detox pads. This looks like a cutting board. Let me just make sure. Oh, a twine cheese board with plates, yoga mat, and then the curling iron that I chose. And then other items that you could have chosen was earrings, obviously the body's boost gel, and then you have, what is this? Oh, a hair wrap, towel wrap from after you get out of the shower. This is the vitamin C that we talked about. What is this? 5A. That's a deep relaxed roller ball aromatherapy, it says. What is this? This is a salt and pepper mill. That's pretty though. This is a 4C, where are you? From Tristique Mini Eye Essential Set of 4. What is this? Where are you? The Better Skin Lava Magic. This is like a scrub is what that is. And then last, it's a lot of stuff, guys, seriously. And then you have the mask, the sugar cubes, the lotion. What is this? Where are you? Oh, from Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. And then we have the hair remedy. All right, so let us do a recap on my fall box. So let us attempt to do the recap. So we have our cut from the cult, cut from the something. Cut from the cult, I don't want to say it wrong. Cut from the cloth wallet. We have our curling iron, we have that there. I don't know how they fit all this stuff in there. Then we have our exfoliating sugar cubes. And then we have our Wander Beauty eye mask. Super happy. This is really good. This is a body souffle. So far, I've always gotten a body lotion that I love the smell. And this is that body boost to get your body back up and running. Then we have the hair repair. And then we have the vitamin C that you can mix with your moisturizer. So what did you guys think of this Fabfitfun box for fall? My opinion, my conspiracies. For me, it was super awesome. I loved everything that I got in it. So far, Fabfitfun has been an A+ for me. I would definitely recommend it. Fall was definitely worth it for me because, like I said, I like subscription boxes where, well, I didn't say this yet, but I like subscription boxes where I can get some value out of it. I don't need it. I'm not one of those people that like a ton of makeup products because I work from home, so I rarely wear makeup every day. I only wear makeup when I go out with my family or I'm making a video. Otherwise, it's very neutral. So for me, these are products that I can use every day, especially like the hair repair, the body souffle, the exfoliation, eye mask. I use those stuff anyway. So for me, this was definitely, I would say this box was worth it. So if you haven't got it, I can definitely, if you look in the description, there's a coupon code. You guys can check it out for yourself. See if you want it. The beauty of it is if you don't want the next box, you can totally like skip it. So with that being said, not to keep you here long, what did you guys think? Did you guys get any of these products? Have you tried any of those products? Definitely let me know what you liked in your box in the description box below. Let me know if you didn't like anything in the description box below, if you tried any of these products. So with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a Fabfitfun spoiler, because as soon as I see them, I definitely share them. All right, so with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.